Let's be honest, searching the internet these days, it's not what it used to be. But what if I told you that you could actually fix it? In this explainer, we're going to walk through how to build your very own personal Google for free and finally take back control of your search results. I mean, you know the feeling, right? You're looking for something specific, maybe for work or a hobby, and you just have to dig and dig through pages of ads, sponsored junk, and let's face it, pretty bad blog posts just to find one single trustworthy source. It's so frustrating, and it really does feel like search is getting worse, not better. Okay, so let's get into it. Section 1, the search overload problem. Yeah, we're all kind of drowning in information overload, but believe it or not, there is a surprisingly simple way out of it. And that solution is a tool called Google's Programmable Search Engine, or PSE for short. And get this, it's completely free. It lets you build your very own custom search engine that only searches the websites you tell it to. You're literally in the driver's seat. You decide what's in, and just as importantly, what's out. And here's why this is such a game changer. You're not just, fiddling with your search terms. No, you are fundamentally changing where Google is even allowed to look. Think of it like you're building your own private library or a walled garden of high-quality, trusted info that just ignores all the other noise on the internet.
All right, section 2, let's build your own Google. So how do you actually do this? Well, you're going to be shocked at how fast it is. Seriously, let's get your first custom search engine up and running in the next few minutes.
Okay, it really is just 4 super simple steps. First, you head over to the website and click Get Started. Easy enough. Then, you give your search engine a name you'll remember, something like My Science Hub or Best Cooking Sites. Then, and this is the most important part, you start telling it which websites you trust. You just paste in the site addresses, like nasa.gov or scientificamerican.com. Once you've added a few, you just click Create. And that's basically it. Your engine is born. And hey, here's a little pro tip for you right off the bat. You don't have to add every single site one by one. You can actually use wildcards. So, for example, if you wanted to search every single US government website all at once, you just type in star.gov. Boom. This is so powerful for doing that kind of broad, yet totally focused research. Okay, moving on to section 3, your first search engine. So, you've clicked Create. What now? Well, the cool thing is the payoff is immediate. The second you're done with that setup, you get a search bar you can use right away. Go ahead, type something in. The results that pop up are drawn only from that list of sites you chose. That's it. No ads, no junk, no fluff, just pure, relevant info from your handpicked sources. How cool is that? Okay, section 4, supercharge your search with filters. Now, creating the engine, that's awesome. That's step 1. But if you really want to unlock its true power, you've got to use filters. In the system, they're called refinements. So what's a refinement? It's basically just a category label that you make up. Let's say in your Science Hub engine, you could group NASA's website and the European Space Agency's website together under a label you call Space Agencies. Then you could group sites like Nature and Science Magazine under another label, Science Journals. See what you're doing? You're creating little subfolders or categories inside your own search engine. And here's where the magic happens. Your search results page now has these clickable filter buttons right at the top, and they're the exact categories you just made. So with one click, you can instantly tell it, hey, only show me results from the space agencies. Click again. Okay, now just show me stuff from the science journals. It gives you this incredible surgical focus exactly when you need it. All right, last section here, part 5, the payoff. So when you put it all together, what does this all add up to? What's the real benefit of taking just a few minutes to set this thing up? Well, it really all boils down to this. First, you get total control. You search only the websites you trust, period. That gives you incredible focus because you're eliminating all the irrelevant, low-quality junk. The whole thing is totally flexible. You can add or remove sites whenever you want. And of course, those filters let you narrow down your searches with just laser-like precision. It's all about saving time and, frankly, getting way better information. So really, think about it like this. You're not just a user of Google anymore. You're the architect. It's your own private Google, a search engine that plays by your rules and nobody else's. So there you have it. The blueprint is yours now. Imagine it. You could build a search engine just for your favorite hobby, or for your academic research, or just for local news, or, hey, one for finding the absolute best recipes, but only from the food blogs you actually trust. The possibilities here are, well, they're endless. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build first?